This is problem 10 on the Unit Conversion Worksheet, the foundational module. The swimming pool in the Penn Athletic Center at Phillips Academy in Andover, Massachusetts contains 576,000 gallons of water. If this volume is poured into the 62-acre Pomps Pond, which is also on campus, what's the increase in the depth of the pond in units of inches? This is a problem. Involves unit conversion, but it's definitely a problem. We have to think about this. A lot of different ways to get it. Here's one of them. Let's convert the volume of the units of the pool into cubic feet instead of gallons. Gallons is a little bit awkward to work with because it's not a cubic length. Turns out there are 7.48 gallons in a cubic foot. So we have 77,000 cubic feet, which is the volume of the pool in a different unit. Now let's convert the area of a lake into square feet instead of acres. Acres is another awkward unit of area because it's not a square length. There's 43,560 square feet in an acre. So 1 acre, 62 acres, the whole lake. Surface area of the lake is 2.7 million square feet. So we have a volume of 77,000 cubic feet, and it's going to cover 62 acres, which is 2.7 million square feet to some depth. What do we do here? Let's think. Always a good strategy. So there's our lake. There's the depth increase, and the area is 62 acres, which is 2.7 million square feet, and the volume is 77,000 cubic feet. Well, the volume of this thin disk is area times depth. So we have the volume, we have the area. We should be able to solve for the depth with that equation. So we have 77,000 cubic feet is 2.7 million square feet times D. So we solve for D. Divide by 2.7 million square feet, and we get that, but we don't know what that is. So let's convert it to inches. There's 12 inches in 1 foot, so we multiply that distance by 1, and we get 0.34 inches, which is about 1/3 of an inch. That's problem 10. Good job.